In front of me is Cubot Note 50, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Then tap on Screen Lock and tap on one of those login methods: pattern, PIN, or password. When you're ready, you get to create it. Select Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then hit Confirm. Lastly, you need to answer this question by choosing one of the available options, and when you finished, hit Done at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after that, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!